Hey guys, I'm going to go over how to replace the roller as well as HEPA filter on a Bissell CrossWave Pet Pro. Very, very straightforward, very easy. The main thing you do is when these things are worn out, I'll show you a little bit. Let me pull this out first. So the bottom part, pull straight up and it should unlock. It hooks onto these sides so it only bends this way. So just beware of that. And it hooks on these two areas to close out. This is the Bissell thing. This is over 1.5 years old and it's pretty much almost done. As you can see, it's been a lot of wear and tear on this, and sometimes I wear it even further, but this is not bad. This is about a little over 1.5 years. So this works really well, the original Bissell ones. But at the same time, these are pretty inexpensive to get. So easy to replace. Just go ahead and align the back end here with the notches and make sure it fits in place and snug. Then you align this one and push down. The logo should be on top. And there you have it. Find the hooks on one side, hook on the other side, line it, and then just align it down and push down firmly and it clicks in. Very simple. For the top HEPA filter, you got your refill bin or the waste tank. Pull it out. The HEPA filter, this is one of the original ones too. Very easy to replace. That's it. I usually hose it down after every use so it's nice and clean. I let it air dry, and it's been like this. But like I said, they're very inexpensive to replace, so I change it out every year just to make sure this thing works perfectly well. Put that back in there, slide in, and you're done. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Not hard at all. Very good. The only thing I have that's an issue is I still have leftover cleaning fluid when I mop my floors, so I usually keep for the next one, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.